Hello, it's Jana here. Today we will make such a beautiful spring door wreath together. First I will prepare a nylon cord for hanging. I have a cut piece here folded in half. I will slip it under the branch. I open the loop and thread the end of the cord through. This is how I simply attach it. And tie a knot at the end. I will hang the wreath in that place. So that will be my top of the wreath. Now we can start arranging. I have artificial flowers and plants here. I will shorten them with pliers and glue them to the wreath without glue gun. The length of the stem should be so long that the flower can be attached to the wreath, but so that the stem doesn't stick out and is not visible. I started with a soft light violet flower that will be in the center of the grouping. I slipped the stem between the wicker, and I glued the flower so that it would hold well. I won't put flowers around the entire perimeter of the wreath, that would be too much. And the wreath itself is very nice. Now I arrange other flowers to the first flower. First the hydrangea from one side and the other, and glue. And now the roses. I'll put those on the bottom side. The wreath will hang on the door so it will be visible. And again glue. I'll put one more rose from above. No more needed. Now I will add the twigs. I will move the leaves up a little so that they are clearly visible, and I will shorten the stems. These twigs will go from above. On the other side, I will give only one. I place the twigs so that they copy the shape of the wreath. I will also add a twig of a different color and shape. I will no longer put this kind of twigs on both sides. On the other side, I will put a different kind. And now I will glue everything. Despite the fact that I used different twigs on the sides and all the flowers are not placed symmetrically, the whole arrangement looks symmetrical, and that is pleasing to the eye. It has already warmed up outside. The first flowers are sprouting and the birds are dancing wedding dances. It's high time to start with spring decorations. Thank you for being with me, and I wish you beautiful spring days. Bye!